What a great, beautiful morning. I'm still, right now it's in here in Virginia, 10 of May, I believe 10 it's pretty chilly morning. I have to still wear my winter pants. So let's go look for wildlife. What else? My kids and wife is sleeping. Find something maybe interesting to take shot of. Maybe some birdies or who knows. All right. More gear than I can handle. I don't know. All this for 3 pictures. Hopefully. Right. Let's go to river and see what we can find out. I didn't been here a year. What a difference here. Lot of fallen trees. Still looks pretty nice. Pretty nice, yeah. Oh, I like it. Like it. 'Tis nice spot to take some shots. Take a look at the view, guys. What a nice, beautiful, calm morning. A little bit foggy. It's a lot of water for this river, actually. Quite a bit. Right, let's get gear out and sit and wait for maybe some eagle fly by. Okay. This is my baby. This is my baby. 600mm lens. These are Nikon Z9. Oh. And like this, every other weekend you sit and stare and look for wildlife. So let's look at this beautiful scenery. Very nice. Yeah, like ducks and geese swimming far in the distance. Magical place. So decided change of place a little bit. I was sitting over there, didn't do much commenting what I'm doing because some fisherman sitting next to me and didn't wanna interrupt his peace. It was pretty nice. Some beaver and birds was flying around, and yeah, fog on the river, real nice. The only interruption is airplanes flying, yeah, make all these noises. And I checked the app for flying a drone. Yeah, it's too much airplanes, so it's not even gonna take off. So, alright, let me try to see another place, maybe some kingfisher, or who knows, right? It's a wildlife, never knows what you come up with. Sit for another hour and go home. So came to different spot here. It's nice view, and I see in the distance wood ducks have a babies, so I'll try to record them. Only downside, I'm sitting next to road and it's constant noises. Yeah, it's a lot of noises, so that is bummer. So but you go with the flow, right? Yeah, that was quite a bit chicks in for one mom. I count 9 or 10. It could be more, but looks neat to see something like this. All right, maybe they will come out one more time. We're gonna try to record them. That is a lot of chicks for one duck. Mom and so many chicks, and dad swimming around and kinda probably give heads up for predators. Alright, I think it's I'm done for nice Saturday morning. This is pretty nice. Pretty nice. It's a nice treat. These wood dogs. Yeah, came out. It's definitely a nice treat. And right, that's it for this time. I guess I see you next time. All right, stay cool.